Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here, and if this is your very first time tuning in, please don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see so far. Also turn on my bell notification so that you do not miss another video that I upload. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I did this super cute easy bun trick on short natural hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you will know that I posted pictures of this hairstyle, and I'll put them up here if you guys haven't seen them yet. But everybody was obsessed with it, like, oh my gosh, your hair grew so much, oh my gosh, it's crazy how shrinkage works, oh my gosh, please do a video on, you know, what you use in your hair, yada yada yada. The caption on the pictures were "real hair don't care," but this part of my hair is not fully my hair. I know I'm a fraud, I know. But you guys will have to keep on watching the video to see how I came up with this hairstyle and what I did to finesse. Please keep on watching and stay tuned for the next clip. So I'm starting off with old hair. This is not freshly washed hair. This style does not have to be only on freshly washed hair. I've been putting gel and other products in my hair for the past few days now, and I just want to go ahead and throw it up into a high bun so you can do the same as well. The first thing I'm going to do is just take this regular water bottle, and I'm just going to spray my hair with the water. This step just softens my hair and allows me to comb it up a lot easier. So I'm gonna take this rat tail comb and I'm just gonna section it into just some lazy parts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle with my wide tooth comb. My hair has grown so much from the last tutorial, guys. That's crazy. So next we're gonna take the Eco Styling Gel. This is the black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. I usually use the green jar that I used in my last hair tutorial, but being that I'm home, this is the one that my mom uses, and it works just the same for me as well. If anything, this one makes my hair a lot curlier and the hold is stronger, I think so. So I'm just gonna take my knuckles again, like the last video, scoop this into my hair and just pretty much smother it like all over my hair. There's no correct way to do this. This is just what I do, and basically we're just forming the foundation for the ponytail. So now that my hair has the gel at the base of my head, the next step would obviously be to catch it up into a ponytail, but being that my hair is so thick at the top and the ponytail is not gonna catch everything at once, there is a trick. So what I personally do is I kind of take my index finger and I separate my hair into two pieces. So a back piece and a front piece. And I'm just gonna separate that. Again, it doesn't have to be neat because it all is gonna go into one ponytail in the end. So I just separate it like so, if you guys can see. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So now my hair is sectioned off into two pieces. You have this front top piece, and then you have this small back piece. For me, the back of my hair is shorter than the front anyways. So I take a scrunchie and I'm just going to tie the front up real quick. Just gonna add some more gel to the back of my hair and just brush it up. So the goal of separating the two is to get both sections to be really nice and sleek, so when you put them together, it just easily comes together in one. Now that I sectioned off the back into that ponytail, I'm gonna do the same to the front, just adding a little bit more gel. And as I'm brushing, I'm also swooping because that's the direction that I want my hair to go in once I gel everything up anyways. So now what you're gonna do is put another scrunchie on top like this here. I look like that character from Despicable Me, the little baby. And then we're gonna take the ponytail out from the back, and then we're just going to connect it with the top. As they're connecting, that's when I unravel the elastic band from the top, and now they're both in my hand. Both the back and front are in my hand now. I'm gonna go ahead and style my baby hairs, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap the head up. So now that everything is laid, we're going to go ahead, remove our head wrap. Ooh, my ears. So for the most part, everything is pretty much laid. And this is how it should look before you go ahead and do your bun. So the trick that I use to get a fuller bun, even though my hair has grown so much to the point where I can put it in a really, really nice ponytail, right now I like full hair. So what I did was I took this wig that I have. I did review it on my channel. It was the curly lace front wig, and it was the blonde wig. So I took a few tracks from that wig and I cut some off, and I basically just like stretched it and I teased it, and I kind of just made it into like this really, really like stretchy type of messy hairball. And I realized, oh wow, this matches the color of my hair perfectly because it has like some brown strands in there, you know, some gold, some black. So what I do is I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on the top of my head, and the goal is to have like a really, really messy bun. Nothing has to be perfect. So I'm just gonna place this on the top of my head, kind of just stretch it out even some more, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the real bun that's on top of my head. And as I wrap, I'm going to pin at the same time. Already it's starting to look super like realistic and just messy, exactly how we want it. And that is it. Once you have everything pinned up, you can kind of tease it, play around with it, stretch it, whatever. But this is how I do my bun on my short natural hair. I love it. Everything looks perfect. So if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps me out a lot to know what you guys want to see, what you guys enjoy. I definitely enjoy making this video for you guys. Just a super quick and easy way to do your hair for the week whenever you don't feel like touching it or whatever. Thank you guys for sticking with me, even though I haven't been as consistent. I know I say this all the time, but big things are coming this year, so I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys for getting me to 5K. That's amazing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.